Hi, this is Tamara from mooglyblog.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make foundation single crochet. This is a great technique to use if you don't know exactly how many chains you want to make to start a project, because you don't have to worry so much about making the chains and then working into them. And it's also a great way to just avoid having to work into a long chain. First, start with a slip stitch, just as you normally would, on your hook, and chain 2. Now we'll begin. Work into the second chain from the hook, which is the first one you made. Go into it with your hook, yarn over, and pull through 1. This will act as your first chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through that first one again, and this is the start of your single crochet. Yarn over and pull through both, and you finished your first single crochet. So this is your first crochet stitch. Let's make another one. This time you're going to see a V here at the bottom. If you kind of flip it over, this is our top, this is our bottom. You're going to want to go under both loops here at the bottom, yarn over and pull through to make your second chain, yarn over and pull through just that chain to start your single crochet, yarn over and pull through both loops to make a single crochet. That's 2 foundation single crochets. Let's make another one. At the bottom, we've got that V. Go under both with your hook, yarn over, pull through once to chain, pull through that one again to start a single crochet, and yarn over and pull through both to make another single crochet. And that's all there is to foundation single crochet. Thanks for watching.